Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first thing might be with your Facebook Marketplace being hidden. So all you have to do is go to Facebook, and then from here you can tap on the menu bar on the top left corner right here, and then from here you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it, then tap on settings. So after tapping on settings here, scroll down a bit, you can see the option of tab bar. Tap on it and then tap on customize the bar. Then here you can see under the hidden option there is Marketplace. So in here, in order to pin it to your Facebook, all you have to do is tap on this option right here, and then you can see the option of pin right here. Tap on pin. It might also be in auto, so if it is also on the auto, you'll have to tap on pin just like this. And here you can see Facebook Marketplace is pinned on my Facebook now. So even after pinning, if it's still not showing, then it might be the problem with your application not being up to date. So you'll have to go back and open your App Store. From your App Store, you can search for Facebook. So after searching for Facebook, here you can see this is the application. Tap on it. You'll get the option of update if it needs any kind of update. Currently, I don't need any kind of update. But all you have to do is tap on update, and within few minutes your Facebook will be up to date. So even if the update does not work, then the next thing might be simply reinstalling the application. So you can simply long press on the application, tap on remove app, then tap on delete app. Then Facebook will be deleted from your phone. Then you can again get back to the App Store and reinstall your Facebook. So even after reinstalling it, if it's still not working, then it might be the reason within your country or area. Sometimes it takes time in order to get updates to all of the areas at the same time. So I'm pretty sure that within few days, your Facebook will have the Marketplace. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.